Hi guys, this is just a quick video, just doing something work-wise I don't normally do, but this is one that I've done before. This is a overcoat, top coat, very stylish. This is made by the Kooples, as you can see there. Now the problem with this jacket is as they get older, I think they came out 2 seasons ago, that the leather, see the leather collar there, it lifts, so you can't see. I'll come round to this side, it's a bit, the lighting's better. You see there, it's got this lovely leather collar, and it actually lifts, all comes apart, you see there. So I'm going to rebond this back together again, and I'll show you the results when I've done that. It's an absolutely stunning jacket. It looks really nice on. It's very nice, very tailored waist, very slim fit like Kooples do. Nice narrow sleeve. It's really, really nice. I really like them. I've seen a couple of lads in town have got these that have altered trim. I've just made them slightly slimmer, and then slightly slimmer in the sleeves for a couple of lads in town. But yeah, but this is a problem as they get older. The like delaminates, or the glue just goes off, or it may have been dry cleaned in the past. I don't know the full history of it, but yeah, I have it, and it has this lovely leather trim there. But the fit is absolutely stunning. And to be fair, this one, they seem very well made, these as well. So there you have it. Stay tuned, and I'll show you the after results. Hi guys. Just back after I've rebonded the collar. So now, if you check it out, it's all back together, all nice and neat. It's not coming apart there at all. You can just see a little bit of the glue there just coming through on the edges. I'll just tidy that up slightly, just so you can't see that. But as you can see now, it's perfect on there now, and you can't see anything there. There we go. I don't really ever work with leather and glue and all that. Obviously, it gets a bit messy. But the good customers who come in regular, so I said I'll put my hand to doing a bit of leather work and see how it comes out. But I've done a couple of these before, and they come out fine. So, and there we have it, the Kooples. So if anybody's got this leather collar problem, I can do them. I'm not saying I'm an absolute expert with doing leather work. It's obviously it's mainly tailoring, and then I do a little bit of denim work on the side as well. But generally I don't really ever work with leather. The different machines that you need and stuff. But obviously we're just using glue. It's fairly straightforward, but just a little bit messy. So if you've got any questions, it's Michael at jamespersonaltailor.co.uk. And the main website is www.tailorsinmanchester.co.uk. So if you've got any Kooples garments, or any garments that you need altering or repairing, give me a shout. Yeah, thanks for watching guys, really appreciate it. Thank you, bye bye.